Dudhsagar Falls has turned into a spectacular sight following continuous heavy rainfall in the Western Ghats located on the Karnataka-Goa border. Dudhsagar, meaning Sea of Milk, is the fourth highest waterfall in India. The waterfall plunges from a height of 1017 feet and is about 100 feet wide. It is situated on a hill within the Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary in Goa, attracting attention with its powerful flow during the monsoon season. However, tourists are not allowed to visit Dudhsagar Falls. The Goa government has prohibited public access to the waterfall for the past 3 years due to reckless behavior by visitors. At present, the only way to view the majestic Dudhsagar Falls is by travelling on a train from Belagavi to Goa. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.